feeling irate, I'm feeling good. It's the Good Vibes Festival, so definitely the vibe is awesome. How see you? Manze waseo may come through. Kumeshona Buddha, ndi kumechemka hivi. Actually, Richie Spice is my favorite reggae artist because anakuimbia rhythm, anakuimbia love song, anakuimbia conscious music, anakuimbia gospel. Richie is all round. He can sing anything. Give him the mic, he sings everything and anything.
First of all, I want to thank every fan that turned up today for respecting and honoring our call-up as Royal Media Services, Citizen TV, Citizen Digital, Radio Citizen, Shabiki as well, for honoring us and coming to enjoy this day with us together. It has been an amazing experience.
Kwa hivyo hizi events inafasi kuja mingi ndio mayouth tukua tunakuja hapa kushow talent. Pia is about talent. Wale wasanii wanaimba hapa, kuna mali wametoka na mali wamefika. So ni jambo poa sana.